Hello guys, welcome back to Leadpages tutorial part 5. Now in this particular video, I'm going to share with you how to build a simple landing page. Even a complete newbie or beginner can build it by simply following my steps. So let's get straight to my screen. Now this is the Leadpages dashboard, and if you've not got your 14-day free trial of Leadpages account, you can always check out my affiliate link in the description box below. Now once you come to the dashboard of Leadpages, you can go and click on the landing pages over here, and you can go and click on this create new landing pages. Now over here you can see the different options available based on the type, like whether it's the newest landing pages or based on the conversion rate or based on the most popular landing pages, or based on the collections, like whether for holiday or quick launch or trending, and based on the page type, which is about page or blank or checkout or consultation, or a free resource or incentive or lead capture or link in the bio or newsletter and sign up, offer or discount, organic paid ad sales and thank you on a confirmation page, or waitlist and coming soon, or a webinar or a virtual event. And based on the industry, you also have whether you're an author, automotive industry, or business and marketing, or coaching, or education, or entertainment and travel, and personal development, real estate, and you have so many styles and landing pages based on your requirement. And next to the style, you can see that it should be a bold, casual, colorful, dark, elegant, light, minimal, or professional. And even based on this color, purple, blue, red, green, gray, pink. So you have different versions of landing pages available, but the one I would recommend you to go for is based on the conversion rate, because ultimately what matters when your lead comes up to you sign up on your page is that how many of them are getting converted into subscribers. So always I would recommend you to go for the conversion rate, and once you click on the conversion rate, you can see the different landing pages that are currently converting best for the Leadpages users. And let me select any one of them. So let me select this one, going to start building it. You can enter your name over here. I'm just going to make it as basic and click on continue. And now over here you can see this simple squeeze page. Now this is going to be very basic, and the most important thing that you should always remember is that whenever you run traffic, either you're going to use your paid ads or you're going to come to organic, make sure that your opt-in page or squeeze page is as simple as possible so that you get a better conversion rate. So that's why you should always look out for like squeeze pages that have a simple headline and a simple sub headline, and that's it, straight to the call to action button. Now this is the headline. You can always click on this headline, click on this edit button, and you can change the headline style, and you can also change the font color. It is green. You can just go and select the font color that you want over here, or if you want to increase the size of this, you can just change it to increase the size by scrolling it up or down. And you can also increase, if there are multiple lines, you can also increase the line spacing. And this is the break margin, and this is the font type. You can select the font type that looks bold and pretty neat and simple, and you can always bold it, or you can underline it, italize it, or you can also center it. So you have different options to work with the text, and you also can edit the same thing with the subheadline. And you can go to the left part of this screen where you can see this layout, and you don't need to do much with the layout. You can do the sections, and you can go with the widgets, right? You can go for the widgets, and you can add, if you want to multiple text, you can just drag and drop over here below, anywhere over here, it will get the job done, and you can enter the wording, so the text, whatever you want. And next is the image plus text, or if you want to insert a video, you can just drag and drop this button over here and insert a video. And if you want to enter an image, you can drag and drop and enter an image. For example, you can just add an image over here, just click on this, and you can just add an hyperlink, or you can just click on this image option and you can add the image over here. Or if you want an image generator, you can use this image generator to add and create an image and add it up to here. Or if you want an upload, you can just go here and upload. For now, I'm just going to delete it. And if you want to delete any part of this, you can just go over here and you can just click on this delete button, and it's removed. So you can add whatever type you want in the widgets section. So next is the button. So here you can see this button over here, and you can enter the different button style by clicking and drag and dropping it over here. And next is the form, and form is nothing but where you capture the details of the visitors. Either it's going to be your email address or your first name, last name, or your phone number, or going to be address, anything. If you want to capture the form directly over here, you can always click and drag and drop over here. Or if you want this to be taken to a pop-up, then you can use this call to action button to click. Whenever they click it, they are taken to a pop-up, and inside the pop-up you can have this first name and last name or email address collected. So just an example, you can see over here. So edit pop-up, click on this edit pop-up, and here you can see the headline and sub-headline, where should we send your free photo bundle. And here you can enter your email address, whether if you want to capture the email address or if you want to capture your first name, last name, you can always do that by clicking on the edit integrations. And over here you can go to the fields, and you can see only the email is captured over here. And if you want to add first name, you can click on add field over here, and you can click on this first name over here and click on done. So you can see the first name which is coming below the email. So if you want to move it up, you can just go and click on this button over here. So first name is captured over here and the email is captured below it, and you can just click on next. And so after entering it, you can just go and click on this integrations, and you can just add an integration. Now what should be done after the lead is captured, after the email address is captured by Leadpages? These email subscribers have to be added to an email autoresponder. So we have to integrate that to an email autoresponder. You can just click on this add an integration over here, and you can connect it with your respective email autoresponder. You can connect with your AWeber or get response, and you can just click on this AWeber or get response. For example, I'm just clicking on this AWeber, and under the destinations, you can select the different list. So if you have your different email list created, you can add them under the different list you want it to be captured. That's how it is done. And after that, you can click on the save button. And next is the fields we have seen, and actions. Now, finally, when it comes to the actions, after the visitor signs up to this page, where should they be taken? Now, that is the most important question. Now, whether you want to take them to the default Leadpages thank you page, or you want to take them to a landing page. Now this landing page can be anything, like you're going to take them to a bridge page. You have an explainer video over there, or you can also have your own custom landing pages created over here, and you can take them to your custom thank you page. Or if you don't want to take them to a thank you page, then you can take them to an external URL. This will be helpful when you want to take them to an affiliate product, or if you have your own product, then you can also enter the URL of that particular sales page. So this is how you promote your own products or affiliate products. And you can also click on this remain on the same page, and here you can see this add new lead magnet. Now you can add your lead magnet over here, and once it is created under track.io, if you want to know where to create the lead magnet, you can always check out the video on top of it, and you can create a lead magnet and add it over here, so that once they sign up, the lead magnet will be automatically sent to them. So once you have done everything, you can click on the save and close button over here, and you can always check the default Leadpages thank you page. Now once you click on this I button, you will see this the default Leadpages thank you page. You can always use the other parts like settings. Now settings is the pop-up settings. Now if you want to edit your pop-up settings, like if you want to add a head section tracking code, you can use that. And under the settings, you have this SEO. Now I would not recommend you to do this SEO over here. And socials, if you want to tag any social account. And analytics, here you can enter your head section tracking code for tracking purpose. And language and AI writing assistant, this is going to be used for AI writing. And if you want any help, you can always use this AI copywriting assistant, and that is available only in the Pro plan. You can see over here it is in the desktop mode. Now one important feature about Leadpages is that it is automatically, your landing page is automatically optimized for both desktop, tablet, and also for your mobile version. Once you click over here, you can see how this Leadpages landing pages looks like, and make sure that always your call to action button remains above the fold. Most people don't scroll down below to check out your call to actions. So that's why Leadpages is very good when it comes for mobile optimizations. And after that, you can always click on this publish button. You can also check this leadometer. Now leadometer is excellent, which means that every part of this landing page is optimized for best conversion rates. After that, you can click on the publish button over here, and you can see this publish your page on domain. This is the default domain that Leadpages has given, and you can enter your own slug for reference purpose. And once done, you can click on this publish option. Whenever you want to change any part of this, you can always change, and you can always hit the update button so that it gets saved. This is how you create a simple landing page using Leadpages. So after doing all your integrations, try to opt in with using your own email address and check whether the email address is collected in your email autoresponder to make sure that everything is working properly. I hope you got real value out of this particular video where I have shown you how to create a simple landing page even a complete newbie or a new beginner can build by simply drag and drop feature. So if you really like my content, I would request you to hit the subscribe button below and also hit the bell icon so that you get the very first notification whenever I upload my videos. So see you in the next video. Until then, bye.